The pink flamingo light is on. That means it is now time for a review. Back to another video. Welcome back to my channel, Imperfectly Natalia. Today I am officially reviewing this here. It is long overdue. I installed this here back in September, probably like September 17th or so, probably 9, but as in probably me get the date wrong, but I don't remember for sure. But it's been since September. Today is November the 5th. Yeah. So I'm just giving you guys a quick review of what I think of the hair. As some of you may know, my hair is natural, like afro, not processed. So I prefer crochet because on a normal basis, my natural hair would be sticking through the twist, right? So I do prefer crochet. I bought this here on AliExpress. I bought it in July and I officially got it I eventually got it in September, and it did take a little while, but they did warn me that it would take some time, so I wasn't surprised. I ordered 7 packs, which was too much because I have an extra pack left over. I think though, for persons who really want to have a hairstyle during COVID that they don't really have to keep going to the hairdresser, this is something that you could do. It cost me like $50-something Canadian for the packs that I ordered, and I just did it myself. I did the K-notes myself and then I installed it myself. And I mean, all I have to do is refresh the edges and I'm good. The thing though is that I need to take it out because I do have high porosity hair, and that means that I should be taking care of my hair more, which I don't. So that's a downfall. So I think I might be taking it out this weekend and start wearing wigs because winter is upon us, right? Well, winter is coming, but Canadian weather is already behaving like winter. But yeah. So this is it. It's a really short review. I don't think there's much to say because, as I said, it's pretty good. I like it. It's called Crochet Passion Twist. I'll show you guys the order process that I use on AliExpress, and as I said, it was pretty easy. It just took a little time to come. Persons who are ordering through the US, I believe you will get it quicker than me. It's just Canada that there was an issue with why it took so long. So even now, I would want to put it in back probably like in January. I think now would be the best time to order it, for just make it take time and then, you know, reach when it reach. But yeah, as I said, I think it's a pretty versatile hair that you can do many styles with. Also, the crochet pattern that I used helped. I did 12 individual K-notes on the front. I did 1, 2, 3 across in the middle, and then I did 6 individual K-notes in the back as well. So I can put it like this and it would look like a part down there. I want to show you guys because this has been since September. So the next time I'll do it, I'll show you guys the crochet pattern that I use. But I do recommend it as a style that can last for a very long time, because anybody who knows crochet know that there's really no haste in taking it out. And I mean, it's a trendy style that's currently in, so you know, you can keep this in for a very long time. Anyways, I won't hold you guys too long. This is just, you know, I don't know what that was, but bye guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you have any questions, and share it with your friends, you know, because you don't know who want to COVID your style and want to spruce up and sing. Share the video and stuff.